What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're going to be making a nice skillet. I got some more leftover ham from this honey baked ham, so we're going to put some of that in there. We got some good stuff, so come on in, check it out, and let's get it going. So we got some eggs right here, so we're going to do some over easy eggs on this skillet. We got some shredded hash browns. This is the refrigerated kind. This is the honey baked ham. Oh baby, that is some good stuff. We got some cheese here. We're going to put some of this Blackstone breakfast seasoning on there. That's some good stuff. I like that. Some veggies. I'm not going to use all of these because that's a lot. And then I'm going to put a little bit of this hot sauce on there. Some habanero. So let's get it going. Got the griddle nice and hot. We're rolling at about 350. And I stole this from my dad. Mine's not working right, so we're good on that. Let's get some oil down. Get in here. That's olive oil that we're using. We're going to start off with these hash browns. Yeah, that's good. Just going to try to get some oil over all of it. Then we're just going to let them cook. Keep turning it up. Alright. Get it in a little bit of a pile. And we're going to get some seasoning on here. Let's go with some pepper. Get a little salt. Alright, now we're going to throw a little bit of this Blackstone breakfast blend seasoning on here. Alright. Turn it up again. Alright, now we're going to just put it in a pile over here on the side. Just like so. Let's get it a little thinner. There we go. Alright, just like that. Now we're just going to leave that alone. I got my burners, they're all on medium high. I'm going to bump these two down to medium low. Let's get some veggie action going. I don't want to cook all of these, that's a lot. Alright, we're good. Save them for another meal. Alright, get this ham in here. Man, this ham, this is no joke. This is good stuff. Break up these onions a little. We're just going to let these cook up too. I'm going to put a little salt and pepper on these. Alright. There we go. Ooh, baby, you can smell that ham. Oh, man. I love it. Kind of break up this onion a little bit. Alright, now we're just going to let this stuff sit too and start to caramelize. Get it nice and happy. We'll bring it right back. Let's see how these hash browns are looking now. Just going to break it up right here, give it a flip, see what they look like. Alright, they're starting to get some browning on there. So we're good up in here. Let's mix them all up so we can get some of that good stuff in the middle. Man, what you got to smell with? Alright. We're just gonna let this stuff sit again. See how it goes. Alright, the veggies are done, so I'm gonna push them over here. Let them just chill out while these hash browns keep going. I'm gonna actually move the hash browns to right there where it's hotter. I don't know. On mine and my dad's griddle, the second burner from the left is by far the hottest. Let me know if that's the case you guys come into too, because I'm curious on that. It's weird. Let's give these hash browns a flip. I'm gonna try and flip this whole thing at once, see how that goes. Came apart, but that's the look you're going for right there. Now let's get this in a circle. Let's start building this thing. There we go. Now, look at that. Pile it on in there. Trying to keep you up there, buddy. There we go. We got some of that egg that came down. Oh, I cracked that one. That one just does not want to stay. Move it over a little bit. Alright, anyways. Let's go ahead and warm this thing up. Just gonna put a little water down. Boom. Let that thing heat. Alright, the food is done. Look at that. Oof. Minus that egg that broke, this looks dang good. Alright, now I'm gonna scoop this thing up. Like so. Boom, right on the plate. All right. All right, y'all, let's give this a taste. Oh man, this looks good. Got some crispy hash browns. Let's get some veggies, some ham. Get some of this egg yolk. There we go. Ooh. That was hot, but it was good. That ham is amazing. Get yourself a honey baked ham. cook some leftovers with it because they are amazing. Even this egg that messed up on me is good. So the veggies, I got them a little soft. They're not mushy or anything like that. They got a real nice consistency. Nice little crunch. That cheese, got a nice creaminess with that cheese. Tell you what, this is good. I'm gonna get in, get a big glass of milk, and relax, eat my breakfast. So appreciate you coming along. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. We're gonna be giving away a griddle for our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And let me know if there's something you want me to cook. I love to cook, so let me know. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks.